Chewy chocolate raspberry pavlova. Today I'm making this delicious recipe to take to a friend's house. It's gonna be a luncheon with the girls to celebrate Rosh Hashanah. The ingredients that we need are 6 egg whites, 300 grams of castor sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. We're gonna start with the castor sugar. If you don't have that at home, it's very easy to make. You just get regular sugar and put it in a blender for a couple minutes and your castor sugar is ready. Now we are just gonna start with the meringue. We're gonna beat the 6 egg whites for about 3 to 5 minutes. And we're gonna add 300 grams of castor sugar, and we're gonna put 1 spoon at a time. This process is gonna take about 7 to 9 minutes. Our meringue is ready, so now we just need to add the balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon, three tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now you just need to fold it very carefully, your cocoa powder with your meringue. I'm spraying this mold with some flour. I'm using a mold that is about 16 inches around, but you don't need a mold. You can just use any pan with a parchment paper. This is going to a preheated oven at 302 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna make a whipped cream from scratch. I'm using 2 cups of whipped cream or 2 cups of heavy cream, and I'm gonna add to this 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Doesn't need that much sugar because the meringue has already plenty of sugar. The whipped cream is ready. We just need to put our pavlova together. Just put your meringue in a place. Don't worry about the cracks. We are gonna cover up with the whipped cream anyway. This dish is the meringue is very delicate, so they crack a lot. So don't worry about that. This is just details. After I'm done, you're not gonna see any cracks. There you are. That's how we do it. Now, to finalize, I'm going to put raspberries and pistachios. I'm here now with my friends. We just finished lunch and now it's time to try this delicious dessert. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment and share with your friends. My girlfriend Sylvia is gonna be trying this dessert for us. Let's see her reaction. Is it good?
Delicious. Wonderful. Muito bom mesmo.
Que coisa boa,
Ficou
Jesus.
bom porque o chantilly não tá tão doce, então dá quebra, ó.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.